this video, we'll be studying about resistivity, conductivity, mobility. Okay. So the first term, that is resistivity. We'll be frequently using this term. Okay. So resistivity basically is denoted by rho. Okay, or you can say its other name is specific resistance. Okay. You know, the resistance of a conductor in terms of material parameter will be R is equal to ml upon n e square a tau, right? This quantity m upon n e square tau, m upon n e square tau. This quantity is constant, okay, for a given material. If temperature is constant, this quantity m upon n e square tau, this is what? This is your specific resistance. Right? And you can substitute it by rho. So R will be rho L upon A. This is the relation between resistance and specific resistance, or you can say resistivity and resistance. Okay. Now coming on to definition of resistivity. Definition will be, see, if you rearrange this, it will be somewhat like this: rho equals to R into A upon L. ठीक है? क्या होगा कि if L is equals to 1 unit, okay, और A भी क्या है 1 यूनिट है, और रेजिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा तब R is equals to rho. That means the resistance of a unit length and unit cross sectional area of a conductor is numerically equal to its specific resistance. Okay, ये क्या होगा रो होगा. अब यूनिट क्या होती है रो की? ओम मीटर. ठीक है, डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला आप निकाल सकते हो. ओके, ठीक है. अगला टर्म है कंडक्टिविटी. This term is denoted by sigma. Okay, conductivity is basically a reciprocal of specific resistance. Okay, sigma is 1 by rho, reciprocal of resistivity is known as conductivity. Okay, so its unit will be ohm inverse, meter inverse, or you can write it as mho per meter, mho per meter, or you can write it as Simon per meter. Okay, this is conductivity. Now the next term is conductance, electrical conductance. Electrical conductance. This term is denoted by G. Okay, electrical conductance is basically a reciprocal of resistance. Reciprocal of resistance. ठीक है, unit will be Simon or MHO, or you can say ohm inverse. Okay, write down note. Resistivity depends on nature of a material. Okay, temperature, but resistivity does not depend on size and shape of a material. It is a characteristic property of a material. Write down these points. Okay, so this was about resistivity, conductivity, conductance, resistance, and all those things. Now next term is your mobility. Mobility is defined as drift velocity per unit electric field. Drift velocity per unit electric field. Okay, and this is represented by mu. So mu will be drift velocity Vd per unit electric field means Vd upon E. Mu is equals to Vd upon E. Okay, now you can write Vd as E tau by m. So put this value here. It will be E into tau upon m into E. This E gets cancelled out. Mu is equals to E tau upon m. This is what? Mobility. Okay. Write one more note that mu for hole is less than mu for electron. This you can this you will understand in the last unit of this class 12, that is semiconductor. Okay. So yes, this was about mobility. Okay. Now let me tell you one more thing. Resistance on stretching the wire. Okay. See, let's say this is a wire. Okay. Before stretching, having uniform cross-sectional area, let's say A, rho is resistivity, R is resistance, L is length. Okay. Before stretching, R will be rho L by A. Let's say it is being stretched to n times. So this will be somewhat like this. L dash is equals to n into L. Rho will be rho because it is a materialistic property. Your area will be A dash and resistance will be R dash after stretching this. This one was before, this is after. Okay. Now what will be the relation? R dash is equals to rho L dash by A dash. You know that A by A dash is equals to L dash by L. Why? Because volume will be constant. A into L equal to AL dash. This will be same. AL equal to A dash L dash. Right? Suppose this is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Now 2 divided by 1. Okay. So from here R dash by R will be N square. From here you can get R dash equal to N square. Okay. Sorry. This will be R dash equals to N square into R. Okay. Means on stretching the wire n times, resistance will increase by n square times. Okay.